Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to download new software on your XIAOMI Smart Band 9 Active. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up our XIAOMI Fitness app, then go to the Device tab and scroll down to Additional Settings. So click on that, then click on Firmware Update, and here you're either going to have the download option or just nothing if your firmware is up to date. I'm going to click on Download. Wait for it to download. As you can see on my watch on the right, it's just taken out of the band. You can see that it's receiving right now, so it's updating. So I'm going to wait for it to update now. So there we go. Now it says preparing an update. So I'm going to click on Got It on my phone. And now we can just freely use our phone while the watch is updating by itself. And now I'm just going to wait for it to update. So there we go. As you can see, my watch has updated and it has rebooted and vibrated. And there we go. Your watch is now updated. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.